virtue, blah, blah, blah. You get a lot of foreign places around here, like you get a lot of Thai places and Filipino. Something really interesting that I haven't shown before, and it's pretty freaking cool, is they have on the weekends they have daytime. Let me turn right here. Actually, what did she drop? Money, cards, wallet. In the daytime, they have they have like daytime nightclubs, like dance clubs, for the Filipino and Thai foreign laborers. And the way they work is because the foreign laborers, they have curfews. They have to be back. They live at the factory. They live in like dormitories at the factory they work at. And they have to be back at the factory by like 8 at night, 9 at night. But on the weekend, they want to party, but they got to be home at 8. So what they do is they open up these like dance clubs just for the foreign laborers, and they open at like noon, and they carry on until like 8 at night or something, and then they close down. So for those, but it's cool because it's like noon on a Sunday, and you go to this place, and it's just like it's like a packed dance club, and everyone's drinking and dancing and beautiful women everywhere, and it's like noon on it's just the weirdest thing. And you go in there and you dance for 4 hours at this nightclub, and then you walk outside and it's Sunday afternoon. Fun streets, eh? I need to do this street more often. You guys are all like jacking off already. This is Zhongli's like coolest street. It didn't used to exist either. When I first moved to Zhongli like 10 years ago, this street wasn't here. It was just a normal street. But they put cobblestones on it, and then they made it a one-way, and then it's like a market. And at night they close it. At night, see these holes here? They put a gate up, and the whole thing gets shut down to traffic. And then it just fills up with people walking up and down it as a cool, young shopping area. An outdoor mall, if you will. That's new. Some kind of LED sign. I can read 6 day. That's yuan. I don't know, or maybe under cow 3. Up car person. I can read like the easier characters, the ones that are with less lines. But and I never practice them. You just pick them up with time because you see the same character again and again and again. Like for car, you see it on every car park and parking spots and different lanes. This is kind of cool. It's like taking you guys to the mall, but I'm on my motorcycle. MILF! Sorry. Bit of a cold. Pretty sure this is a one-way road. See, this car is doing the same thing we're doing. He's just some old pervert looking at the... Wait a minute. Yeah, buddy. Congratulations. You have a Mercedes. Like, a Mercedes is nowhere near as cool to show off as a Ninja. Thank you very much. And then throw in the fact that I'm a foreigner. You're just, like, way out-cooled by being on the same street as me. Oh, it looks like it carries on straight ahead, too. Oh, there's a super hot chick that works right here in this shoe store, and I actually I talked with her once before at a club. She lives in a lot of my masturbational fantasies, actually. Fairly certain my bike's overheating now, though. You know, regardless of my bike, regardless of the fact that my bike isn't a super sport, it's probably still overheating at this point. Didn't see her. Yeah, and it looks like it still carries on across, eh? The cobblestones carry on anyways. I think your car is parked the wrong way on both sides. Oh yeah, that's a gilf. Just cooling off the engine, officer. Yep, yeah, go touch it. You get less energy if it's sparking.
Oh!